Hello everyone and welcome back to RD Excel. In today's tutorial, we are going to dive into the world of Excel and explore a powerful function that can save you a lot of time and effort. The Vlookup function. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, understanding how to use Vlookup can greatly enhance your data analysis skills. So let's get started. Before we dive into using Vlookup, let's understand the basics. Vlookup stands for vertical lookup and it helps you find specific information in a table by looking up a value in the leftmost column and returning a corresponding value in the same row from another column. The syntax of the function is quite straightforward. Is equal to Vlookup, lookup value, table array, column index number, range lookup. Let's jump into the example. Now let's say you want to use Vlookup to find the price of a product based on its ID. Select the cell where you want to get the Vlookup value. Is equal to Vlookup, press the tab button. The first argument is the lookup value, which is the value you want to find in the leftmost column of your table. This could be a specific item, ID or any other unique identifier. In our example, the lookup value is product ID. Next, we have the table array. This is the range of cells that contains your data. Make sure to select the entire table, including the column with the lookup values and the columns with the information you want to retrieve. The third argument is the column index number. This is the number of the column in the table from which to retrieve the value. Count the columns from the left of the table, with the leftmost column being 1. The last argument, range lookup, is optional. If you want an exact match, enter false or 0. If you want an approximately match, enter true or 1. If omitted, the default is true. Close the bracket and press enter. That's it. Now look at the second example. Vlookup from another sheet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or if there is a specific topic you like to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to RD Excel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy excelling!